Welcome. Today, we'll explore 20 essential English words starting with the letter V, with clear definitions, translations, and examples you can use right away. Vacation. A time when you relax or travel and don't go to work or school. We are going on vacation next week. We haven't been on vacation in a long time. She spent her summer vacation at the beach. In American English, people say vacation. We're on vacation in Florida. In British English, people usually say holiday or holidays. We're on holiday in Spain. She's taking her summer holidays in Italy. Ambas palabras significan lo mismo, pero depende del país. Vegetable, a plant or part of a plant used as food, like carrots or broccoli. I eat vegetables every day. Carrots are my favorite vegetable. Very, a word that makes an adjective or adverb stronger. This book is very interesting. She runs very fast. Voice, the sound we make when we talk or sing. He has an incredibly deep voice. I lost my voice after the concert. Visit, to go see someone or someplace, the act of going to see someone or something. I want to visit my grandma this weekend. The museum visit was fun. Village, a small group of houses and buildings, smaller than a town. She lives in a small village. The village is quiet and peaceful.
My village. In a word, sturdy.
Hiccup begins narrating the story by introducing his home, the Viking village of Berk. He describes it as a tough, enduring place where the people are strong and resilient, just like the buildings and the environment. The word sturdy sums up the idea that both the village and its inhabitants can withstand harsh weather, constant danger, and the challenges of living alongside dragons. Vote, to choose a person or decision in an election, the act of voting. I will vote tomorrow. His vote was important. Volunteer, a person who offers to help without being paid, to offer help. She works as a volunteer at the animal shelter. I want to volunteer for the event. Van, a large car used for carrying things or people. They moved their things in a van. We rented a van for the trip. Valley, a low area of land between hills or mountains. The river runs through the valley. They live in a beautiful valley. Value, the importance or worth of something. Family has great value for me. What is the value of this car? Vase, a container used to hold flowers. She put the flowers in a vase.
The glass vase broke.
Video, a recording you can watch on a screen. I watched a funny video online. She made a video for her friends. Victory, winning in a game, war, or competition. The team celebrated their victory. It was a big victory for him. Violent, using force to hurt people or cause damage. That movie was too violent. He doesn't like violent games. Vet, a doctor who takes care of animals. I took my dog to the vet. The vet checked the cat. Violin, a small string instrument played with a bow. She plays the violin very well. He is learning to play the violin. Vehicle, something used for moving people or things, like a car or bus. A car is a type of vehicle. The road is closed to all vehicles. Virus, a tiny thing that can make people or computers sick. He stayed home because of a virus. The computer has a virus. View, what you can see from a place, to look at something. The view from the mountain is amazing. I want to view the pictures.
We have fishing, hunting, and a charming view of the sunsets.
Hiccup is still introducing Berk at the start of the movie. He lists the positive aspects of his Viking village in a lighthearted tone. There's good fishing, opportunities for hunting, and beautiful sunsets to enjoy. The phrase, a charming view of the sunsets, is a humorous, almost tourist brochure way to describe the scenery, contrasting with the fact that Berk is actually a harsh and dangerous place, especially because of the dragons. When learning English, many students confuse view, look at, and watch, but each has its own use. We use view when we talk about seeing something in a more general or formal way, often in situations where we observe carefully or for a purpose. For example, I want to view the pictures means you want to examine or check the pictures. Look at is more direct. It means to turn your eyes towards something on purpose, usually for a short time. Look at this picture. Watch is for observing something that moves or changes over time, like a movie, a game, or the street from your window. We watched the sunset together. In short, you might look at a painting in a museum, watch a film at night, and view some photos on your computer in the morning. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and soon these V words will be a natural part of your English vocabulary.